Welcome back to Mom's Medical. Today I'm going to guide you through the safe removal of jiggers from the foot. Please watch the complete video to learn all about this essential topic. For further details and reading material, check the description section below. Stay tuned with Moms, your great source of medical knowledge. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for instant updates. Jiggers, also known as chigo fleas, are small parasitic insects that burrow into the skin, typically on the feet. Removing them properly is essential to prevent infection and further complications. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to safely remove jiggers from the foot. Antiseptic solution like iodine or alcohol, sterile needle or scalpel, tweezers, antibacterial ointment, clean bandages or sterile gauze, soap and water, disposable gloves, optional but recommended. 1. Put on disposable gloves if available. Clean the affected area with antiseptic solution to reduce the risk of infection. 1. It often appears as a small black dot surrounded by a swollen white or red bump. 1. Be careful not to dig too deep, as this can cause additional pain and damage to the skin. 1. Ensure the entire jigger is removed to prevent recurrence. 1. Apply antibacterial ointment to the wound to prevent infection. 1. Change the bandage daily and apply more antibacterial ointment as needed. 1. Keep the foot clean and dry. Avoid walking barefoot in areas where jiggers are common. Wear closed shoes and socks to protect your feet from jiggers. Avoid walking barefoot in areas known for jigger infestations, such as sandy or dusty regions. Maintain good personal hygiene and regularly inspect your feet for any signs of jiggers. Regularly clean living areas to reduce the risk of jigger infestations. If you are unable to remove the jigger completely, if you notice signs of infection after removal, if there is significant swelling, pain, or if the wound does not heal properly, proper removal and aftercare are crucial to avoid complications from jiggers. If in doubt, seeking professional medical assistance is always recommended. Thank you for watching. Have questions or experiences to share? Leave a thoughtful comment below. And remember, stay subscribed to Moms for more medical knowledge.